Hey guys, what's going on? If you guys are interested in making any more extra money by reselling, you've come to the right place. All right, because I'm going to hit some thrift stores today to see what I can find to resell on eBay just in a little bit.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, 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 resell, it's time to resell in the ATL flipper, ATL flipper.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper, and I'm a full-time reseller on eBay. Basically what I do is I go to thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, and basically find items for cheap, and I flip those items for profit on eBay. Alright, so if you guys like that type of content, I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Alright, let's go ahead and head out and hit some thrift stores.
Oh, how you doing?
Where's this thing at?
The buggy's up front.
Hey guys, what's going on? Just pulled up to the next Goodwill. I'm gonna go ahead and head inside and see if I can find anything valuable to resell. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm in the Goodwill now, and I have to do a voiceover because the music in here was just too loud. But the first item I picked up was this woman's Patagonia fleece vest. When I first touched it, I was like, man, it feels like I'm petting a sheep or something. But it goes for around $40 on eBay. Then I picked up this vintage promotional jacket from the Freddy Krueger movie Nightmare on Elm Street, and there's listings right now on eBay between $200 to $400. Then I went to the toy section and saw this brand new in the box Pinky Cooper doll. They were only asking $2 for it, but it sells on eBay for around $50. I also saw this Barbie doll. They wanted 99 cents, and it sells on eBay for around $20. Next up, I found this brand new Seen It 2nd edition DVD game. They're only asking $2 for it, and it sells on eBay for around $35 to $40. Then I saw this brand new and sealed Game of Thrones board game, and they only wanted $2 for it, and I could flip it on eBay for around $40. Hey guys, all of these items that I'm finding today, whenever you go sourcing, make sure you keep an eye out for these items because they sell really good on eBay. As I was looking through those racks, I found these brand new with tags, Born Fly men jeans size 40. They go for around $70 on eBay, but make sure you check the comps before you buy them. Next up, I picked up this women's Columbia Omni Heat interchangeable jacket. It's actually a puffer jacket, and yeah, it sells on eBay for around $40. So I was surprised when I looked it up. They only wanted $7 for it, so I went ahead and picked it up. The next item I found was a pair of all black Jordan 1s, and they wanted $6 for them. And these Jordans right here sell for around $70 on eBay. Next up, I picked up a pair of black and gray men UGG boots, and guys, these boots, I was surprised. They only wanted $6 for them. But the thing is, these boots, I can get probably around $70 to $80 used for these boots on eBay. Then I saw these all white Nike Air Force 1s, size 5.5. They wanted $6 for them. But look, I always sell Air Force 1s on eBay, and they sell pretty fast for me. So I probably can get around $40 for these. Then I picked up these brand new Highland clipless cycling shoes, and they came with all the accessories with it. They only wanted $6 for them, and these sell on eBay for around $60. I was thinking, I was like, man, I might keep these for myself. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna sell them and make that. The next pair I picked up was a pair of velvet Nike Air Force 1s, size 10 in men. They only wanted $6 for these. I could probably get around $70 to $80 for these on eBay. As you can see, there's a small little tear on the inside of the right shoe, but still in good condition. The last pair of shoes I picked up from this Goodwill was a pair of Black Cat Jordan Retro 13, size 10 in men. They wanted $30 for these, and that's not bad. But then the toe box was coming off of the right shoe, so the manager gave it to me for $6, and I can get around $120 for these on eBay. All right, let's check out and head to our next thrift store. Hey guys, what's going on? Just pulled up to the next Goodwill. I'm gonna go ahead and head in and see what we can find. All right. Just leaving Goodwill right here, and the only thing I picked up was 2 tennis rackets. But these, hold on. All right, but these tennis rackets, they go for around $70 to $100 each. The brand is, I think it's called Babelot. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna head to the next thrift store today. All right, guys. All right, y'all, the first item I picked up from this Goodwill was some Nike Huaraches. They wanted $6 for them. I can flip these easily for around $80 on eBay. The next item I picked up was these Gucci slides. They had some cracks on both of the sides, but you know, it wasn't that bad. So I went ahead and picked these up. They wanted $6 for them, but I can flip these on eBay for around $100 easily. All right, the next item I picked up was these Allbird wool running shoes. They wanted $6 for them. And guys, these are an easy flip for around $30 on eBay. Then I came across this brand new with the tag North Face hoodie, y'all. When I saw this on the rack, I was like, man, get out of here. And they only wanted $6 for it. And y'all know I had to scoop that up. So I could sell it easy for around $70 on eBay. The last thing I picked up at this Goodwill was a Harley Davidson motorcycle jacket. This jacket, y'all, I've never seen you know, the screaming eagle on the back of a Harley Davidson jacket, but I just went ahead and looked it up on eBay, and guys, the comps were crazy. They only wanted $7 for it, and on eBay it's selling for around $120. So if you guys see this jacket in the thrift store, make sure you pick it up. Yo, this is dope. Shout out to the Tesla picker for making these dope socks for me, bro. They just got delivered today. So yeah, man, I had to go check them out, and dude, I really like them, man. So y'all check these socks out. Look at them, man. These are dope, bro. Like, these are cold, man. If you guys are interested, you know, in getting your brand or your logo on a pair of socks, y'all hit them up. Because look, when I go to the thrift stores, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Somebody asked me, what's your YouTube channel? What I'm gonna tell them is, I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna just lift up my pants leg and show them the socks. Y'all already know. And also shout out to the Fundamentals of Side Hustling for making my logo for me. Bro, I really appreciate it. If you guys need a logo done, you guys hit up the Fundamentals of Side Hustling and he will get you right. Alright, so his information will be down in the description, along with the Tesla Picker's website and his YouTube channel. Alright, y'all, that's all we have for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, okay? Alright.
I'm the wheel, biting the deals. I'm doing this for real. Hey, look at the steal. Let me teach you how to resell.